Hey guys, Dr. Kerry here. I missed my smoothie today as I got really busy and then haven't had it yet, but it's a very important part of my day. So I'm going to show you what I put in my smoothie. I'm going to start off here with milkadamia. It's macadamia nut milk, and I'm going to use 250 milliliters in this container right here. So I use the Ninja and 250 milliliters of milk right here in the container. It's got the markings on the side just to show you how much you're using. Now I'm going to use some berries. These are organic berries and cherries, good fiber, some sugar of course, but I'm going to put some of those berries into the smoothie here. Good antioxidants, not a lot, but I like to put some of that in. I've got fiber here. I'm going to use psyllium flax fiber, and I have to go run and get my protein because I was ordering some. I left it on my desk. So I'm just going to run over and get the pumpkin protein. And just ordering some for my patients today. So here it is, pumpkin protein. I like pumpkin protein because it's got a lot of fiber, good protein, and it's going to help. I take 1 full scoop of that and put it in my smoothie. And then I use that scoop because the fiber doesn't come with one. And I'm going to use half a scoop of the flax fiber right here, the psyllium flax fiber, and put that into the smoothie right there. Okay, so we've got flax, we've got protein. Now what we need to do is get some healthy fats in there. So omega-3 fatty acids, I was ordering some of these today too for our patients. Gonna put in 5 milliliters of fish oil. And then I always add in olive oil, 10 milliliters, because olive oil has monounsaturated fats, and I'm putting in organic olive oil. Now, periodically you're gonna wanna check your measurements, but I know I do this every day, so I know my measurements quite well. So that is what I'm putting in, guys. That's my basic smoothie. I'm going to go blend it up right here. And I'm going to have that as I close up the clinic today. Really important fiber, good protein, healthy fat in there. Got all the stuff you really need to keep you going throughout the day and to provide your body with the great nutrition that it needs to be healthy.